Welcome to our LBCC tutorial on how to use the registration and schedule tile. The registration and schedule tile is a streamlined way to complete registration tasks in one place. You can view your degree planner, build your schedule, add classes, view your class schedule, and more in this tile. In this video, we will show you how to use the Build Schedule, View Schedule, and Update Schedule sections. To find these items, you will need to log into your Viking portal. Click on the Viking portal from the LBCC website. Enter your login credentials. On the Viking Student System tile. Click on the new Registration and Schedule tile. There, you can access the Build Schedule, View Schedule, and Update Schedule sections. First, let's show you around the Build Schedule tools. Here, you can view your degree planner, use the new Schedule Builder tool, enroll into courses, and manage your course shopping cart. Click on your degree planner to see courses by semester. Meet with a counselor to update your education plan if needed. Click Path Actions to access the Schedule feature. Here, you can select which courses you would like to add to the Schedule Builder. Next, go to your Schedule Builder, a tool that creates a custom schedule based on your needs. Use the filters to import courses from your ed plan or shopping cart. Add the times that you are unavailable for classes, such as your work schedule or family obligations. You can add minimum break times between classes, preferred locations such as the LAC campus, and filter by class status. You can even filter by your preferred instruction mode, such as on-site instruction. Once you have added your custom filters, you can view the courses that you imported from your degree planner. You can select all or individual courses that you would like the Schedule Builder to consider. Click Build Schedule and you will see possibilities based on your custom filters. At the top of a scenario, you can choose to enroll, add it to your favorites, or compare. Click the numbers at the top to view different schedule combinations. You can also view the possibilities in a calendar or list mode. Click Enroll when you're ready and select the courses you would like to add. Click on each course and save your enrollment preferences. Lastly, click Enroll and confirm that the course has been added to your schedule. You may still opt to add courses by class search and enroll or by class number. Next, let's show you how to view your schedule. In the View Schedule folder, you can view your weekly schedule, view classes in a list, and view your course history. The weekly schedule is a visual format. When you select View Classes, you can opt to view enrolled classes, dropped classes, or waitlisted classes. Review the enrollment deadlines to be aware of key dates, such as the last day to drop a course or the last day to change the grading basis of a course. Next, let's show you how to update your schedule. In this section, you can drop a class, add permission numbers, and update the grading basis of a course. To drop a class, select, review, and submit the course that you would like to drop. Lastly, here are your next steps. As you navigate the registration and schedule tile, connect with a counselor for course advisement, admissions, and records, or the Student Technology Help Desk for support depending on your needs. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to connecting with you. Go Vikings!